Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Guys, I am officially back. You guys know I did take about 2 months time off from YouTube, really making daily updates for you guys. As you guys know, I've made updates on a continuous basis throughout the year, but I really did need about a little break off of YouTube because I have a lot of personal things outside of social media that has been going on with my personal life, so I needed some time off to really maneuver and plan everything out before I could make this return. But I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys. My day one supporters that have been reaching out to me through email, through Telegram, asking me how am I, is everything all right. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, but I just want to say I'm officially back and we are about to grind really hard on this channel. We're taking this to the next step, 100,000 subscriber next. So if you're new to the channel, do not forget to join the Crypto ZX army and join the Telegram group right down below and come join our community. But now let's get right into the markets and see what's going on within the markets and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So before I begin, just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Now, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap, guys, you guys can see the market cap has not changed quite a bit. Even the last time I uploaded, market cap has been staying around this 1 trillion, 1.1 trillion, around that mark, and that's very nice to see in my opinion. Right now, as of recording this video, we are currently sitting at $981 billion. We're up 1.9% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 37.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, but nothing too crazy, man. XRP has been killing it. 41% in the last 7 days, which I will cover in a separate video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But if we're looking at the markets, nothing too crazy going on, but we do have some sort of green within the last 24 hours. We are seeing BTC dominance decrease quite a bit over the last 2 months because last time I updated it was above that 43% mark. And we have seen that go down, which means the altcoin market has been, outperforming Bitcoin in the immediate short term, and that is definitely not a secret right now. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.023 cents, up 0.7% in the last 24 hours, and it's down 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative of the last 24 hours. Market cap has been holding quite well around this level at that $1.68 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $63.9 million. One thing to point out for you guys is that despite the fact that we are seeing a lot of uncertainty in the markets, a lot of bearish momentum has been occurring within the markets, Vechain is still holding above that top 50 in the cryptocurrency market ranking. We're currently sitting at top 35, and that really goes to show, how much belief people have in this project. And I've been saying this for a long time on my channel, how much I believe in Vechain, and this is just the absolute beginning. The next bull cycle, I do see this project, in my personal opinion, above $1 mark. And despite the fact that we are in a downwards market, Vechain as a project itself has been developing non-stop, and that makes me extremely bullish, and patience will definitely pay off for the people that have patience. But if we are looking at the markets over the last 1 year, nothing crazy has been going on. We are down 77.3%, and that's not coming as a surprise to any one of us because you guys know what has been going on within the markets. We are in a bearish trend, and it's not only Vechain that's down this much, it's the majority of the cryptocurrency markets that is down right now from their all-time highs. We are definitely in a bear market right now, and this aside from the bear market itself, we are very in a strange time right now, and this is the first time where we're going to see what Bitcoin does compared to what's happening around the world. You guys know inflation is going through the roof, and a lot of other political things going on around the world that could affect the overall financial markets. And we have seen that happen, and which I did not keep as a secret to you guys. I've been mentioning that the traditional markets are too overinflated, and we are going to see them plummet, and we are seeing that happen right now. Stocks are getting absolutely crushed right now, but is this the time for Bitcoin to shine? Because you guys know Bitcoin is treated as a hedge against inflation, and what other better time than now to see Bitcoin really succeed? And we definitely will see that. And right now, if I am looking at the price of Vechain, before we jump into the other aspects, Vechain, guys, this is the 1 hour time frame for you guys. Let me just show you guys. So Vechain has not been doing too much, and it has been consolidating around this price point for quite some time. We never managed to break out after this back in May, when we broke out of this level of resistance, which is a major level of resistance at that 3.4 cents mark, but we never really managed to break out of there again. And it's been quite some time since we have done that. But let me tell you guys one thing. Vechain has built a strong, extremely strong level of support for itself. And I've been reading a lot lately. A lot of people are saying Vechain has found its bottom. As much as I would love to think that, I do not. I would take that with a grain of salt, and let me explain as to why that is. Look at what's happening with Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin right now is at some critical price levels. We are sitting at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and this support is holding as a last level of support right now. As you guys can see, we have touched this support September 19th and September 22nd, and we did see a bounce back up since then. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we have seen a 5.4% move towards the upside since then. But if we break below this, guys, I could see the price of Bitcoin going back down to 15K levels. And I've been mentioning this to you guys for quite some time. And is that going to be the bottom? We could go even lower, but it just depends. But one thing I want to make clear for you guys is that, if we stay above this level and consolidate, that's obviously something that we want to see. Most importantly, we want to go above this level of resistance at the 22K mark, guys. Since even though I did take about 2 months off, I'm talking about the same level of resistance that I have my eyes on, which is 22K. If Bitcoin is above that, I'm absolutely happy. Things look great. But if we stay below it, we're not out of the woods just yet, and that's definitely the case right now. Because look at this, guys. If we break below it, we could be definitely headed down to some 15K price levels, and that obviously is going to cause a big panic within the cryptocurrency markets, and Vechain definitely could react to that, because as you guys know, all the altcoins are correlated with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down, and it gets hit even harder compared to Bitcoin. So the price levels I would be looking at if Vechain were to go down again, if Bitcoin were to crash, we could possibly see Vechain go back down below that 2 cents mark, which we have not seen since June 19th. We could go break below that, but if you want to dollar cost average, guys, right now is not a bad time to be dollar cost averaging, and especially if you're in for the long haul, you believe in the project itself. As I mentioned to you guys on a continuous basis, I personally am a strong, massive believer on this project. I do believe it is going to succeed. And, especially in the next bull cycle, we are going to see some major gains being made within Vechain, in my personal opinion. Because, guys, I know we always want to be looking at the prices. That I'm not saying that is not what I did as well. I definitely did that too. I always wanted to be refreshing. Not always, I still do at times. But we need to realize patience is needed to succeed. No one becomes a millionaire overnight. No one becomes successful overnight. You need to have patience, and you need to time things right and not be greedy. When you see profits and the profits are too large, and I can say this for myself, you want to be locking in profits. I know greed can literally get to you and be like, no, you know what, if we're sitting at 100K, we're going to go at 200K to $1 million. But I know how that works, but I'm telling you guys, do not be greedy. But right now, guys, Vechain is sitting at some very low levels compared to where it was back on April of last year. So if you were wishing, oh my god man, I should be picking up some Vechain right now, well, why not dollar cost averaging in now when it has corrected quite a bit from its all-time highs? And to be exact, we have seen the price of Vechain since all-time high go down about 91%. And yeah, that's about it right now, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Vechain go right now? Not too much has been going on. Like I said, we have created a strong level of support for the price of Vechain over the past couple months. Since basically May of this year, we have created a massive level of support and consolidated quite a bit. And I don't see much downside from here. I'm not saying that we won't go down if Bitcoin were to plummet back below that 17K mark, but we don't have too much more downside left for Vechain, and I'm very confident on that. But let me know your thoughts down below, and I'm back, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Helps out my YouTube algorithm, and your support would be greatly appreciated. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.